Roku down almost 5%. That's not good. Roku, BA, we know about that. They got some more planes taken offline. That's going to pull, probably, it's going to pull the rest of them down there, especially the ones that use the 737s all the time, like Southwest and Save. But it's going to pull down all the airlines. Let's get those set, though. Let's see. I don't know what the news on Roku was, but whatever it was not good. All right, got that set. I don't think that's coming back anytime soon. Then everything else across the line. We're talking about BA here. Really, before we want to do anything in BA, I want to get down in that area where we sold the put spread before. This is kind of no man's land. I really could care less about it here. I want to get down in those low 360s before we consider doing anything. I know that that's a long way away.